Since 1.5 years, we are struggling too much for because we have our American board cleared teachers, because our students are now in the clinical stage, and they should be being taught by clinically, and we should be able to show them all things, practically. And for that, we applied for the license for Arabic and everything. And Arabic, those people told us that everything is okay, your papers are okay, you have applied, you are going by the law, and you are officially correct for everything. And then we also applied to the Ministry of Health, Minister of Health, and then those papers are stuck there for the last 1.5 years. And we have been trying to get those papers for our doctors to teach our clinical students. And doctors are here for the last 1.5 years. They're all American board cleared dentists. And they up till now, they are unable to get those papers to teach those students. And at this stage, we are stuck here. We don't know what to do. It's like sending these students to US or Canada, because that is a lot of effort and a lot of struggle for the students also, because we always wanted that we should do everything here in Aruba. So that was the only, obstacle right now. And we are really stuck here. We don't know what to do.
Yeah.
And we opened this outreach clinic also for the community and public. And we openly, when we opened it about 1.5 years ago, we said that we'll be giving some community service at only 50% of the rates. But we are not able to operate that also. So we have the doctors, we have the facility, we have everything, but our papers are stuck in the ministry. I have no idea why we are not being issued in spite of submitting everything, going by the law, doing by the law, and abiding by the rules of Aruba, and still stuck there. That's one of the biggest hurdles that we have right now.
And now you have reached out to the minister several times through emails or through what means?
Through emails, through telephone, and we are told that okay, we will get in 1 month or this thing, but no action was taken.
No action.
There's no other dental school in the island. We are the only Caribbean first dental school here.
This is really beneficial for our island.
Yeah, of course, of course. This outreach clinic I have opened for the last 1.5 years.
Right.
We spent so much money on this. It's lying vacant.
Yeah.
Doctors are here already. They are board certified, American board certified. And their papers have been submitted to Arabic, and Arabic says everything is okay.
Yeah.
But still, from the ministry point of view, I don't know why they are not issuing.
You think there maybe there's a preferences to maybe give visitation to other organizations?
This is what we have to think now. There may be some other preferences for them.
Yeah.
But we don't understand that this is the only dental college here, and in the Caribbean also. So Aruba should be proud of it, that we have a dental college also.
Yeah. Now you're expecting now maybe for him to reach out after this.
I don't know. I'm still here. I come every month, but go with a very depressing mood. And whenever I go back to Canada, I just feel like I don't know what to do now. I'm really stuck here.